Megan here. So today's video is going to be about dyeing my hair fun colors. So in the last video you would have seen my bleach vitamin C hairdo. So you can see the results right here. So this is what we're working with now. As you can see, my regrowth is getting pretty intense. So basically I'm going to color my hair to be blue and purple ombre. So we're going to have a really deep, fantastic color instead of the pastel kind of pinky purple that I have been rocking recently. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, keep watching. So today's products are Lust hair dye and Splat hair dye. We're using them in Purple Rain and also in Vibrant Blue. And we're going to try and create an ombre look with these two colors. So first of all, I'm going to start off by just making sure my hair's all brushed out, separating it down the middle, and just making sure that it is all separated. So first of all, we're going to grab our Lust hair dye in color Purple Rain. This cost $18.90 in New Zealand, and it's supposed to be a blue based purple, which should go really, really beautifully with the blue as a nice vibrant purple. I'm going to add some conditioner, partly to just try and bulk it out because I'm worried that one tube won't do my hair, because my hair is really, really thick, and so I use quite a lot of hair dye, even just to dye half of it. As you can see, I'm kind of hoping here that I won't end up using a full tube, so I'm just adding it in different lots. In the end, I decide I need the whole thing, plus a little bit more conditioner as well. And even then, with application, I wished I had had 2 tubes, because I feel that I did not get the coverage that I wanted to bring out the color that I needed. After you've mixed everything to your satisfaction, just go and plop it on your hair. So get your brush and add it in there, and make sure you take section by section, fully applying. Because I'm doing kind of an ombre look, I decided where I wanted to go down to on the hair, and that's where I colored with purple. And I just went around my whole head, making sure that I colored through and everything was fully saturated. For the blue portion of the hair today, we're going to use the Splat Vibrant Blue. Picked this up from Sally's when I was in Florida at the beginning of 2017. I did add some conditioner to this, which was a mistake, as the Splat hair dye is so liquid that the conditioner just stays as lumps. It also didn't need it. It came out as a beautiful vibrant blue. It's just a force of habit I found trying to add conditioner to everything. So then I'm going to take strand by strand, and I'm going to add the blue dye to the bottom where we haven't coloured, and I'm just going to gently rub that further up the strand to blend the purple and the blue together so there isn't so much of a harsh line in the finished product and it blends more seamlessly. Once I've finished dyeing my hair in this way, I like to comb through and just make sure it's all seamlessly dyed. Tie it up, make sure you don't touch anything, and then wait 30 minutes to an hour before washing it out. Hi everyone, so this is the finished hair look. I put in the purple at the top and the blue at the bottom. It hasn't really come out how I wanted it to. It shows more purple on camera, so there's a little bit of a hint of purple up here. I still have this kind of yellow tint through the middle, and then it's this gorgeous blue on the bottom. I didn't do my roots as you saw in the video. I'm just going to give them some time to grow out a little bit more because I don't really want to damage my hair any more than it already is, because I have bleached it a couple times this year, and because at the end of 2016, beginning of 2017, I had put quite a lot of bleach through it. So yeah, so this is the end result. So keep tuned in because I'm going to dye my hair lots and lots of more new fun colors as the year goes on. So just keep tuned in and subscribe if you want to see me make some more videos. Alright, thanks guys, bye.